is about following your passions, wherever they take you.
You cannot change circus. There is long tradition.
That's what everybody thought, Vitaly, until those French Canadians came along, drunk off their maple syrup and cheap pharmaceuticals, and completely flipped the paradigm.
Now they play Vegas. 50 shows a day and 52 separate venues. And one of them completely in the news.
That's right, and you know how they did it?
Take off in the clothes.
No, they got rid of the animals.
What? Say it ain't so. No.
You know what I say to that? I say they can take the animals out of the circus, but they cannot take the animals out of the circus. I mean, they cannot. I think you understand what I'm saying.
No.
You don't need humans, because we've got passion. What does a human say when he's passionate? He says, I'm an animal. Well, we are animals. We'll make an all-animal circus, because if we follow our passion, we can go anywhere.
Anywhere.
We can do anything.
Anything.
If we do it together.
All of us.
We're in. Get up, someone.
You said bird power?
You and me, baby! And that together! We can do that funky groove dancing! This thing right here, look! Me and you! Me and you!
But I can't dance.
I do not trust this lion.
Daddy, I may not trust him either, but I am tired of sitting and standing and rolling over.
There is great tradition of sitting.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. But tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I